In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple bullet journal in Notion. Setting up a bullet journal in Notion is a fantastic way to stay organized, and I promise you, it's easier than it sounds. By the end of this, you'll have a functional and aesthetically pleasing digital journal. So let's jump right in. First things first, open your Notion app. If you're new to Notion, don't worry. It's a versatile tool for both personal and professional organization. Now, once you have Notion open, your first task is to create a new page. You can do this by navigating to your sidebar, clicking the Add a Page option, and voila, you have a new blank canvas ready for personalization. Now, let's name this page to reflect what it's all about. How about calling it Bullet Journal? Feel free to personalize this name, but keeping it straightforward will help you locate it easily in the future. So type in Bullet Journal as your page title and press Enter. With your page ready, take a quick look at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find options to toggle the page settings. It's usually a good idea to click on Full Width. This will give you plenty of room to lay out your entries, making it easier to read and organize. While you're there, make sure to turn off the Small Text option. Larger text is generally more comfortable to read at a glance, which you'll appreciate as your entry list grows. Next, we'll start adding some structure to your bullet journal. Bullet journals typically consist of several basic sections, such as tasks, daily logs, or notes. Feel free to set up these sections according to your needs. Some people like to begin with a tasks section, followed by daily logs, or maybe a notes section. It's really up to you and what you aim to track or organize. When entering information or jotting down new tasks, use bullet points. This aligns perfectly with the bullet journal concept and keeps the entries neat and clear. A quick tip, using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+8 will create a bullet point in Notion for faster entry. To enhance your organization, consider adding a monthly overview. This can be an outline of major goals, events, or deadlines for the month, providing you with a snapshot of what's coming up. Now, let's make it visual. After setting up the monthly overview, switch to the gallery view. This transforms your journal into a visually engaging board of months. It not only helps in tracking your activities, but also adds a pleasant aesthetic touch to your dashboard. Finally, a minimalist approach often works best in a bullet journal. Not only is it sleek and easier to navigate, but it also decreases cognitive load, allowing you to focus more on the content, stick to necessary information, and keep the design clean. And there you have it, a simple, clean bullet journal ready to help you organize your life effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy journaling in Notion.